I am making a beautiful pasta dish that happens to be vegetarian. You can easily flip it to vegan. It is amazing. It's my lemon garlic pasta with mushrooms. You can leave the mushrooms out if you want, but why would you? They lend so much flavor. And these are oyster mushrooms that I found at the farmer's market. You can use regular portobello or button mushrooms if you want, but a pint of mushrooms. And pro tip for mushrooms is if you start cooking them down on a medium heat in a dry saute pan, just let them go for a while. They release so much flavor, they get more intensified. It beats adding olive oil or salt or anything else at this point. Just let them do their thing, and you'll see as they wilt down, the flavor is just phenomenal. You'll begin to smell them. Really, really great to do mushrooms that way. My favorite way, just kind of dry roast them in a pan. And as soon as you see that they've released all of the moisture that they have, then you can add everything else. I just dropped my fresh pasta in. I love to use like a spinach angel hair pasta. I couldn't find that. I went with regular fresh angel hair pasta. You can use dry if you want, but that fresh pasta takes 2 minutes. And so I got to work quickly with the rest of this. So this is a super fat, the jumbo garlic clove that I also got at the farmer's market, but 3 regular sized garlic cloves. Got one with my mushrooms, and now I can add some olive oil and just a pinch of salt. I want to be really careful with the salt because I'm going to add some Parm, and I want to make sure that I don't overdo it with the Parm. I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of Aleppo chili flake. Any chili flake, if you like a little bit of spice, will do. Wow, this is smelling really good already as that garlic starts to kind of meld and marry with the mushrooms. I'm going to need the zest and the juice of a lemon. So the zest goes right in. This is a pretty decently sized lemon, and I don't want to waste any of that zest, so I'm taking care to make sure that I get all of it in here. Because this is a flavor bomb. Wow, I can smell that too. Yeah. When you squeeze in lemon, if you don't have a lemon juicer, just squeeze it through your hand. You don't want to get any seeds in there. And I think my pasta is almost done because I do believe it's been about 2 minutes. That's the great thing about fresh pasta. Any pasta really is a quick cooking weeknight thing, but fresh pasta even more so. So you have a few minutes to whip up a quick sauce, and this one is one of the best. All right, so my pasta is cooked as promised, 2 minutes. I'm just gonna take it out of the pot. I don't boil pasta typically in a huge pot. I boil it in a smaller pot. I just think that works better for me. And I'm gonna keep some of this pasta water because that's got a nice starchy element that I might need to bring this all together. But I wanna go ahead and add my Parm in here. And I would say, well, Parm to taste really. I was gonna say about 3 tablespoons, but to your liking. And it just lends a lot of salty, wonderful flavor. And you really don't need a lot because Parm does impart so much flavor. I'm gonna leave it at that right now. We might get some more, but if you're not going vegan, this is when I'm gonna add just like a tablespoon of butter. All right, for freshness, I love to add parsley. And I wanna show you a tip for parsley, because how many times have you purchased fresh herbs in the store and then they go bad before you use them because you're only needing them for one thing? But really, I do add fresh herbs to a lot of things because the zing of fresh flavor that it gives at the end, you can't beat it. So when you bring your herbs home, parsley and cilantro especially work really well. Rinse them off really well and then give them a rough chop. And then I put them in a paper-lined container or a bag, and just they'll keep in my fridge for a couple of weeks, honestly. They do really well. So I keep it like that, and that way I have it available to me. And this is all you need. I'm gonna scoop out just a little bit of this pasta water to make it nice and silky and smooth. That's gorgeous. Let's plate this up. You saw how quick and easy that was. want to plate this up and I want to get the mushrooms in there. You can add more mushrooms, you can leave mushrooms out, but I love the mushrooms. Then, just a little bit more parm. If you're gonna go vegan, leave the parm out. It doesn't need it, but it's so good. A little more parsley or a little bit of that Aleppo chili flake is what I like. And dig in. This is really good stuff. Garlicky, lemony, mushroomy pasta with that vibrant zing of parsley. Man, give it a try. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.